I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt so you have permission to delete protected files. This matters because without admin, write some files won't remove. Once done, identify which history you need to clear: browser cache, PowerShell console history, CMD session files, or Windows event logs, and note the user profile path. Make sure to back up anything important first, otherwise deletion is permanent. Now, change to the target directory and prepare the specific commands we'll run next. Now you run the precise commands. Delete lingering files with del/f/qpath \to file to force quiet removal, and remove folders with rmdir/s/qpath \to folder. Use those carefully. For CMD session history, reset DOS/list size equals 0, then set it back, and delete any asterisk, log, or asterisk. Dat and %appdata tied to the shell. In PowerShell, clear history clears session entries, and you should delete console host history. TXT from your profile folder to remove persistent commands. Make sure to verify paths before executing. Finish by rebooting to ensure caches and locked handles are released, then confirm the targeted history files are gone from user profiles. If deletion fails, use iCackles to adjust permissions. For example, iCackles path/grant your user F and retry deletion. Be cautious granting full control. If files remain locked, identify the process with resource monitor or handle. EXE and stop it before removing the file. If you still see entries, double-check alternate storage locations and repeat the removal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.